Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in a meeting that happened at Microsoft, it seems that there's a little bit of panic going on right now. So, of course, they're applying AI to find all the security flaws. And that's good news, actually, because they're finding all the flaws that should be fixed, and a lot of them are critical. So all of these updates, especially when we get Patch Tuesday, are really, really amazing because now we're going to get a lot of fixes. But something Microsoft is worried about is that the different products that they have, so Microsoft Office, Windows, SharePoint, even the .NET framework, they are worried because a lot of it is a constant development, which means, and we all know that Windows contains a lot of legacy code from long, long time ago. They're afraid it's going to flood the security update with so many fixes that they won't be able to meet demand. So apparently what they're doing is they're assessing, and Microsoft did say that they are looking at staff. Do they have enough, people to code and fix those security flaws? They're looking at the priorities. Of course, they're looking at critical security flaws first. Then they go downwards from there. But the problem is it's not because a security flaw is not critical that it isn't necessarily bad. It all depends on circumstances. So this brings Microsoft to a point where it's a little worried, and apparently that staff meeting, which was recorded, a lot of the people there were overwhelmed. This new way of finding security flaws is so efficient that we don't have staff and we don't have resources to fix them as they are found. So this is going to be an interesting thing to debate and to see in the next few weeks and months. I am actually anxious to see the August security updates. How many flaws will there be discovered within Windows? And one of the things that you can think about is, could Windows or could Microsoft say, let's not disclose the full extent of the security flaws so as not to wake up the bad guys, and just put the ones we fixed, hold on to the other ones, not actually talk about them? That's something that came to mind for me, is can they just keep quiet on a certain number of these flaws? And the thing is, and that's what they're saying also, is that, these guys are having the Mythos AI designed to find flaws, and it's very efficient. But, nothing tells you that bad guys can get their hold on this and also start searching for security flaws. This is where it's getting very interesting. So we'll hope that Microsoft can actually continue. And I think, so Microsoft is part of the problem because of all the legacy code, but I think they're not alone. I think there's a lot of flaws. I can imagine using those models against Linux. For those that think Linux is so safe, I can bet you that Linux has hundreds, if not thousands, of flaws that could be found with those same AI. And macOS, look at macOS updates on iPhones, iPads, and macOS that was released this week. So we're looking into an interesting future here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.